Hey, what's she talking about? Hey, ain't nobody in there. Hey, look out, man. I ain't know if nobody was in there. You finna run him? You got any bow tones on here like y'all finna bet or anything? Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to bet with him, man. What year is this? 18. This an 18? And they got that intake?
Oh no, I ain't got nothing about no.
Oh, you ain't got nothing done to it?
I heard he got some.
Yeah, he got some stuff over there, man. I'm trying to make sure I place my bet correctly, but you ain't done none of this one? It's still under warranty then. That's good. Damn. He ain't did nothing, y'all. Let me holler at the chat, man. I got a YouTube channel and a Twitch channel called Lookout Racing, man. You can check it out. I'm going to have the race on there. But we finna figure out who finna win this one, y'all. He got slicks over here. All these modifications. I think he just said he got some nitrous. And this side, he said he all stock. Something about who be going in the party? I'm gonna go back and her mess with Easton, y'all.
And then he gets other people to play the instruments. It's kind of like 9 Inch Nails does.
Nah, we don't know what you mean, man. I'm really looking for a trash can. Was that peppermint amazing? No. It tasted the same as if you was to have a, it just started to taste like the peppermint shake type taste, you know. It reminded me of the same thing. It ain't all that. It wasn't amazing. It probably would be amazing if it was your first time tasting some peppermint and some chocolate. But that's how. What's up, bro?
Some good pictures?
Yeah, I got some good pictures, man.
All right.
What's up, man? Why you don't never let me ride on her, man? I want to make a full pass. You got a roof and everything in here.
It's alright.
Smelling good. Y'all got your Miller lights already.
You know what's up.
You got the Miller lights already.
Got to, bro. You know.
It's going down. It's finna go down. Now you gonna buy you some tacos?
Probably.
Okay, track back ready, y'all. All right, y'all. We back. We headed up here to the front. Get get back into action. We go to badass Supra. Somebody they got that intake, y'all. Alrighty, guys. I'm on a Yello Belly drag strip. Got that wash machine cam. Y'all ain't never had no wash machine where like y'all had too many heavy clothes on one side and it started rocking the whole machine. That's how his truck sound. That's how I be sounding when I gotta go in there and stop that damn machine. God damn, man, what the hell all that no? You gotta stop, get you something put up under it. Okay. Mama Lona washing machine. I remember one time I was explaining that to somebody. They said, "What the hell kind of washing machine you got?" Oh man! Look at him, his license plate. Hit me up, we. I'm in law school in Harvard. Let me see how he look. He look like he in law school. Yeah.
I got 500 on you, bro.
Yeah, man. 500? Full pay. Oh, he got a stick.
Watch out, drive this one.
Oh yeah, he been practicing. What's up with it? He been practicing, y'all. Yeah, he been practicing, y'all. He been practicing. He did good too. I ain't gonna lie. He told me, he said, "Watch how I drive this hoe."
Like damn.
I was thinking, boy, he ain't finna do nothing. I don't see Funky Town now. Oh, there you go. Funky Town. What's the deal, man? Not much. I'm trying to find out where the bed is. What's the next event you going to?
I don't know. I thought you got something tomorrow.
I ain't going. I don't know nothing about it. You going? They say, I think Ryder got an event. Is that Ryder event next after Thanksgiving? Is that his? At XRP? Okay.
I think, don't.
I seen something about the 26th, 27th.
Yeah, I think you got something.
Yeah. Well, I don't know, y'all. We'll see.